Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel EPA's Biology class. Biology is the study of life itself, from the tiniest cell that make up our bodies to the grand diversity of ecosystems that surround us. Today I am going to teach you some portion of one of the chapter from NCERT book of class 9, that is the fundamental unit of life. I will complete the chapter step by step, and at the last of the chapter I will provide you the question answer. Let's come to the chapter. First is the definition of cell. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life because cells are the basic building blocks of life and responsible for carrying out all the necessary functions to maintain the life of an organism. It is also known as fundamental unit of life because it is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all living organisms. To understand in details, let's come a story. Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Life Villa, there exists a magnificent castle known as human body. This castle was a bustling hub of activity with millions of workers tirelessly constructing and maintaining to its grandeur. The key builder in this kingdom were the cells. Imagine each cell as a teeny brick, diligently worked together to construct the towering walls, intrinsic pathway and majestic chamber of the castles. Each brick had a specific role to play, contributing to the overall functioning and well-being of the castle. At the very foundations, this castle forming a protective barrier was a wall made up of the countless cell bricks. This wall, known as cell membrane, shielded the castle from the outside world, carefully regulating the flow of materials in and out. Now, inside the castle, the bustling streets were akin to the cytoplasm, a fuel-filled pathway where the cell bricks resided. They transported essential resources and messages, ensuring smooth communications and nourishment throughout the castle. Deeper within the castle lay the nucleus, the heart of the operation. It was like the wise king, overseeing the kingdom's affairs. Here the DNA resided, coiled up like precious scroll. It provides the instruction needed to guide the castle's development, growth, and reproductions. Mitochondria, the hard-working powerhouses, were like diligent blacksmiths. They tirelessly generated energy in the form of ATP, fueling the castle's activities. Just as the blacksmith forged tools, the mitochondria provided the castle with the energy it needed to function. The endoplasmic reticulum, was akin to a busy market with various stalls and shops. It was responsible for producing and packaging goods. Or, in this case, proteins and lipid. Like skilled artisans, the Golgi aperture carefully modified and leveled the product, ensuring they reach their designated location within the castle. Meanwhile, the cytoskeleton acted as the castle's invisible infrastructure, comprising sturdy pillars and bridges. Made up of protein filaments, it provides structure, support, and flexibility, allowing the castle to withstand external forces and maintain its shape. Inside the castle, there is like hidden away like secret treasure chest where the lysosome. They were like castles, dedicated cleaners equipped with powerful enzymes. They devoted waste, unwanted materials, and even invaders, ensuring the castle remained clean and protected. Lastly, ribosome, the diligent worker, were busy constructing and repairing the castle. These tiny factories translated the blueprint or mRNA molecules into essential protein, which were the building blocks needed for the castle's growth and maintenance. And so in this magnificent castle, each cell brick played a crucial role. Together they formed a harmonious and interconnected system, ensuring the castle's survival, growth, and overall functioning. In the kingdom of Life Villa, the Silbrids were the true heroes, working tirelessly to construct and maintain the wondrous castle that is the human body. They were the foundations upon which life flourished, and their intricate collaboration brought about marvels to the living world. That's all for today. Rest of the portion of the chapter I will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.